Hello dear students, today I'm going to start chapter 6. In chapter 6 you will learn about the decimal system, how to convert a decimal to a fraction or fraction to a decimal. This is the basic. Let us take an example. Suppose if it is 1.2, it is in decimal form. 1.2 is in decimal form. We need to convert it to fraction. So how will convert? Simply we'll write 12. 1.2 means point will remove and we'll write 12 by 1. 12 by 1. 12 by any number which is divided by 1 is the number itself. Okay, the result is the number itself. For example, if you write 4 by 1, 4 by 1 means simply it is 4. So that's why 1.2, so 12. 12 by 1. Now, from the right side, we will count the digit after how many digit point is there, decimal is there, okay, point. For example, here 1, so only one digit we are getting decimal. That's why we will put the 10. That's all. Decimal is converted to a fraction. Let's take another example. For example, 2.436, 42. 42.436. Question is convert it to the fraction. So when we convert it to the fraction, we are getting what? 42436 divided by 1, as I told you. Okay, any whole number or any integers can be written divided by 1, but the result we will get what? Whatever the number will be there, that is the answer. For example, here 42436, so 42436 divided by 1. Now from the right side we'll count after how many digit decimal is present. So 1, 2, 3, that means 3. That's all. Okay, these are the basic that you are going to do in this chapter. After that, what question will be like, first you convert it to the fraction and then write in simplest form. What is the meaning of simplest form? If it is 2 by 8, 2 by 8, how to make it in simplest form? We can do it like 2 ones are 2 and 2 fours are 8. So we are getting how much? 1 by 4. This is called simplest form. That means simplest form of 2 by 8 is how much? 1 by 4. Let us take another example. Suppose 6 by 8 or 9. Any number can be taken. If it is 6 by 8, so simply 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. So we are getting how much? 3 by 4. That means the simplest form of 6 by 8 is how much? 3 by 4. Okay, these are the basic concept. You have to keep it in your mind while doing decimal chapter. Decimal to the fraction, convert it to decimal to the fraction or fraction to the decimal and rewrite it in the simplest form. Okay, like question number 1. As you can see, question number 1 is 6.2. We will not do 6.1 because 6.1 is just the basic, that whatever I explained to you there on. But in 6.2 we will start our main chapter, main exercise. Question number 1 says that convert each of the following into a fraction in its lowest term. First question is 0.12. We need to convert this decimal into a fraction, but in lowest term. Lowest term means what? The simplest form. So simply, as I told you, 0.12 is equal to how much? 12. 0. 0.12. So 0.12 by 1. From the right side, 1, 2. We have 2 digit. After 2 digit, we have decimal. That's why after 2, 0. So this one is what? If before the digit zeros are there, that means there is no use. Suppose if it is 2, 29, 4 or anything, if the zeros are here, that means the value is increasing. But if the 0 is this side, this is no use of that zeros. Correct? Before the number. That's why this 0, no use. So we have 12 by 100. We got 12 by 100. Now we will reduce it. Means in lowest form we will write. Decimal is already converted to the fraction. But question is not only to convert it to the fraction, but write in simplest form also, lowest term also. So we will take it like, if you take it by 4 or 2, like 2 6 are 12 and 2 5s are 10. 2 6 are 12 and 2 5s are 10. 1 0 is extra, so one more 0. So we are getting 6 by 50. We will cut it again. 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. 1 will go there, that means 10. So 2 5s are 10. That means we are getting how much? 3 by 25. Now 3 is a prime number, and in the table of 3 there is no 25. That means 25 is not divisible by 3. So that will be our answer. Okay. Like Roman number 2. Let us do Roman number 2. Roman number 2 is Roman number 2, 0.08. 0.08. Simply 0.08 is equal to what? 0.08 by how much? 1. Now from the right side 1 2, we have 2 0, so 2. But you know that after the point, means after the digit there is 8. These zeros are no use. That means we have what? 8 by 100. Okay, 8 by 100. Now we will cut it like 4. We can cut by 4 or 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 0. So 0. That means we have 4 by 50. Now again we'll cut it. 2 2s are 4. Again 2 2s are 4. 1 remainder. That means 2 5s are 10. So we are getting 2 by 25. Again 2 is a prime number and 25 is not divisible by 2. That's why the answer is what? 2 by 25. Similarly, you will do all the Romans of question number 1.